Walser Wealth Management President Rebecca Walser. All right, Rebecca, listen, you got 1 million degrees. You got every degree under the sun, including legal degrees. Just your thoughts on all of the legal stuff that we've seen today, last night. You think it holds up ultimately?
No. There's other statutory authority that he has tariff authority up to 50%. There's other things. We've had Truman take over a steel plant before in the middle of a war, obviously. So there are things that this administration can do, and I wouldn't bet against him, no.
One time you and I were talking recently, you said you were surprised that it feels like no one on Wall Street has read Art of the Deal.
I know.
Right? It's so weird. The taco trade. Don't they understand? Here's what I love. President Trump starts at 150 on China, goes to 30, and all of a sudden the market erupts. If he started at 30, people would have said it was too high. I think he's the Art of the Deal. Maybe they should read it.
It is. It's absolutely telling you that he will leverage his strengths and to his advantage in the negotiation. So people think that he's reneging on what he's doing. He is negotiating. He's putting his cards out there and saying, this is what I can do to you. I know you don't like it. Now let's come to the table and let's actually talk. This is all strategy, and they just don't know of a president that actually does this. So it's unusual for everyone, and everyone doesn't know how to react.
Yeah, no, I mean, Wall Street, plus, let's face it, they love the way things are going. It's been great for them.
Right.
Easy money. The Fed's pumping money. The government's pumping money. It's been an easy ride for Wall Street, and they hate to have to pull up their sleeves and work a little bit. So Trump met with Powell today.
Yeah.
The Fed put out a statement. There's no love lost there. But what do you think about Powell himself with the Federal Reserve? Are you happy with the decisions they're making right now?
I mean, I think he's in a rock and a hard place. He's obviously probably a little more relaxed since the Supreme Court, with the on-side ruling, basically said that he's not going to be touchable. But I do think that they're in a rock and a hard place because they have specific mandates, and that's basically what he said. We have 2 mandates. That's what we're focused on. And right now, we can't really decide which way to go because there's too much uncertainty.
That's the only central bank with 2 mandates. Should they have 1, maybe?
Maybe.
No, I mean, really, it feels like, because he mentioned a few times the tensions between the two.
Between the two, yeah.
I mean, Congress should take back full employment. That's on them, though. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's talk about making some money, because one of the stock picks that you like is Tesla. I got to tell you something.
Yes.
Probably the biggest winner of NVIDIA's conference call last night was Tesla.
Yes, absolutely. Autonomous vehicles.
Yes. You laid it on thick.
Yes. Well, I love Tesla because, for one, Elon's going back and going to be focused. Number 2, on June 12th, they are launching their autonomous taxis trial in Austin, and that's happening next month. And, I've been in Phoenix, and it is all over the WAMU test area, their Cruise. I mean, this is coming, Charles. Autonomous vehicles are going to be here before we know it. And soon, we might not have cabs in the city. We might
have human drivers. We'll have some cabs. I got to ask you about
what I mean.
Google, all right? So you like Google as well. Now, I was iffy on this, but I saw this last week, that VO3 and these movies that people are making with it. Plus, I love the chart. You like Google here.
Google has not been my favorite because of the loss of the bowling search. I mean, obviously, it's making way for AI and on all of the better search results you get with AI that are more iterative and interactive. But Google has got DeepMind, and they also are actually trying to put some protections in with their AI, which is great to see, a stock that is this massive, that has this much control and power and information to actually say, hey, let's put some controls on AI, which I think is good.
I know you're big on that. Let's talk about
privacy
Amazon.
Protection, please.
Privacy. You like your privacy. Amazon looking better too. Same kind of chart. Broke out, testing the 200, holding.
Yes.
And it's considered by many people to be a cheap stock, and you like it here.
Yeah, I like Amazon. It's off its high, and what they are going to do with AI is going to just be shocking. Almost might scare you, like, hey, you're out of milk, and we're going to just send you some. The stuff that they are going to be able to do with AI and knowing your personal life and your personal business is going to be phenomenal. So I do think that Amazon is a long-term buy for sure.
Long before the breakout, long before everyone got on the train, you were saying gold. You've been concerned about geopolitical situations, all kinds of geosocial issues. Gold has taken off. Everyone's piling in right now. But lately, Bitcoin has taken a little bit of the shine, pun intended, from gold. Is that bothering you at all?
I mean, we've had like $9 billion rotate out recently and directly from gold to Bitcoin. And obviously that, obviously makes me think, but Bitcoin is going to be, cryptocurrency, I should say, not just relative to Bitcoin, is here to stay. The blockchain ability to track everything is going to give fiat currency a really hard problem in the near future. So I think that crypto is here to stay. It's definitely something that should be part of the portfolio, but we just don't have a proof of concept during a massive correction. It didn't hold up well in 2022.
Right.
We know that.
Right.
So I'm still hesitant. It's still a risk asset because of that.
And the bottom line, you've been sort of anti or concerned about a lot of things. Still, everyone should be a little bit cautious, right?
We still have global macroeconomic headwinds that are completely not relevant to or related to the tariff issue, Charles. So yes, absolutely.
Great stuff. Rebecca, thank you always. And congratulations with your gold call. All right, Liz Clayman, can we take it home? Can we